Umuthi niguo arutwo a kirathi gia kanana na a grade 6 mambiriirie gwika igeranio ciao cia Kcpe na Kpsea, na mihang'o ino yambiriirie kiroko gia tene kuria minister othe mauma kundu gutiganite guthurima mihang'o ino, nake minister wa githomo auma mwena wa gicua-ini oro undu umwe na anyiti itemi matiganite sekta-ini ya githomo aria mauma kundu gutiganite kunyabara mihang'o ino. Makiria ma arutwo mirioni igiri na nuthu nio marokire gwika igeranio ciao. Arutwo a grade 6 ari wa mbere gwika kigeranio giki rungu rwa mutaratara mweru wa mathomo wa CBC, na matiuma na ngurani ya mehaririria na arunao a kirathi gia kanana.
Wira uria uma munene rucini ni gutigirira ni twanyitithania muthigari na mwarimu nigetha mahote gukinya thukuru mari hamwe.
Security very alert, koguo mamenyerere gutigakorwo na uici wa igeranio. Ni tui ciana citu ni haririirio wega ku matigakorwo na wasiwasi.
Mihang'o ino ya igeranio ici ndiuma ngurani na ya hau kabere, kuona thukuru ni uma na maabitha a borithi a kuiga ugitiri nginyagia kigeranio kirike kiria gigukorwo gikioya thiku ithatu.
I wish them to score highly, but I may encourage them that it is better not to score highly than to look for higher marks through cheating and your examination is nullified.
Ona gukirio uguo gutinaga mihinga ta kaunti-ini ya Bungoma kuria thukuru ithathatu cia kiumbe itaneyumiria guthii kuoya igeranio cia arutwo ao na matikuneanite gitumio giothe.
Yeah, we are going to follow up because that's a government policy that everybody must be registered. These schools were for private schools.
Agitongoria mihang'o ino ya kuhingura container mwena wa Westlands, minister wa mathako Ababu na Mwamba uria cokire gucerera arutwo mbere ya kigeranio thukuru-ini wa muthingi wa Westlands augite ni ihinda arutani makorwo na wigiriki niguo makehokwo ona mihang'o-ini ya gutabania igeranio ici, kuona thirikari ni huthagira mbeca nyingi kuiga ugitiri wa igeranio.
Come a society that is more that has values of honesty, integrity, accountability, transparency, so that exams can roll on, okay, seamlessly.
The exercise must be conducted with the highest integrity possible so that we avoid any interference with the examination.
Kaunti-ini ya Narok ni imwe ya kaunti iria kuri na namba nene ya arutwo megwika kigeranio kiao mohete nda, kuona kuri na airitu 248 mohete nda, na oho arutwo 8 ni gatagati ka aria megwika kigeranio kiao mari njera.
So long as they are able to sit on their desk and do the exams, they'll be allowed to do that. Unless one maybe falls into labor, then the necessary action will be taken. But otherwise, just being pregnant is not a disease.
Hindi ya kigeranio giki kuri na thukuru itiganite iria igukorwo ikigunika na uteithio wa irio niguo gutigirira ni mahota gwika igeranio ciao matari na undu uramagia. Thirikari ikiranira ati ugitiri ni mugacirithie kona ciothe cia bururi niguo gutigirira gutiri undu guthararia mihang'o ya igeranio.
Tana na wapikaji wetu hapa wa Food for Education, kuona siku zile 3 wanafunzi wetu watakuwa wakifanya mtihani watapata chakula ya bure.
Ngiribotera Kameme TV ni njitagwo Wangui wa Mwiruri.